Want to fly for less and turn everyday spending into dream vacations? First, head over to the American Express website and log into your membership rewards account. You'll need your username and password handy. Once you're in, navigate to the transfer points section. This is usually found under the rewards or points summary area. Look for an option that specifically says transfer points. Now, you'll see a list of Amex's transfer partners. Scroll down until you find Delta Airlines Skymiles. It's typically listed alphabetically. Click on Delta and you'll be prompted to enter your Delta Skymiles account number and your full name as it appears on your Delta account. Make sure this information matches exactly. After entering your details, Amex will verify your information and link your accounts. A confirmation screen will appear to let you know the linking was successful. Now you are ready to transfer your points to Delta and book your next flight. If you run into any issues, double-check your account details or contact Amex or Delta customer service for assistance. Linking your accounts unlocks a world of travel possibilities. Start exploring destinations and maximize those Skymiles for incredible experiences. #travel hacking #points transfer.